Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography, and welcome to an all-new episode of Photo Wonder. Autumn is my favourite time of the year, and it's not just because of gorgeous colours and the leaves, but also the light in autumn is usually fantastic. Especially here in Dublin, because we're that bit further north that the sun is fairly low in the sky for most of the day, and it creates this lovely kind of golden light and long shadows. So what I'm doing today is I'm having a wander around Dublin, and we're looking for some autumn scenes. So you might think to yourself, well, to capture autumn you really need to go into the countryside or out into nature, but that's not always the case. So what I like to do is I like looking for autumn scenes in the city, so it can often be quite nice to get a nice juxtaposition of autumn leaves against buildings. You kind of got this whole nature and man-made thing going on, and that's what I'm looking for today. So, apart from trying to get autumn photos on the city streets in and around the buildings, the most obvious place when looking for autumn shots in the middle of a city is the city's parks. And I am here in one of the most popular parks in Dublin, which is Stephen's Green. And Stephen's Green is actually really beautiful in autumn. Most of the leaves turn gold and yellow, and it's just a great place to shoot. You could actually spend hours just taking photographs here. So I'll spend a little while, get some shots here, and then move on to another destination. There's some great opportunities around the outside of the park as well, so that's always something you should look out for. And here at Stephen's Green, there's some beautiful ivy covered buildings all around the park, and they turn a bright red in autumn, so they're worth checking out as well. So another great spot is the Ivy Gardens here in Dublin, which is a beautiful little park that's kind of hidden away behind the National Concert Hall. Not that many people know about it, and it's always pretty quiet here, even though they do actually hold comedy festivals here during the summer. But this time of the year it's usually really quiet. So if you're looking for a good spot to get some nice autumn photos in around Dublin City, this is one of those places that you absolutely have to check out. I'm here in the grounds of Dublin Castle, and I'm by the Chester Beatty Library at the moment, but there's kind of a little small park here and there's lots of nice trees, and again you're surrounded by the castle, so it makes for some interesting opportunities. Another great place to get some autumn shots is here in Trinity College. So you have some lovely old trees and you're surrounded by some beautiful old buildings, so it's a great combination and makes for some interesting shots. So it's clouding over now and it's getting pretty windy and it's damn cold, so I think I'm going to call it a day. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Photo Wander, and if you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe on YouTube. And I want to give a big thanks to all my Patreon supporters who help support this channel, and if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.